Hey, it's Scott Young here. Glad you joined me today. I hope you're doing well. Are you curious why affiliate marketing is the future? Well, the world is becoming more and more subdivided into various audiences. It used to be, believe it or not, that everybody would watch the news and TV programs on one of three big networks out there. You really didn't have too many options. You had just those few three to pick from, and that's where you get all your entertainment. And so the big brands would just advertise on those big three networks, and that was it. But now news and entertainment is spread across many, many sources, each one having its own particular audience. So the future is companies are going to want to start gaining access to those audiences through affiliate marketing. Now, how do these companies gain access to these audiences? Well, through the influencers who those audiences follow. The future is those companies are going to want to gain access to those audiences through affiliate marketing. But how do these companies gain access to these audiences? It's through the influencers that those audiences follow. The great news is those audiences range in size from like a micro influencer who has 1,000 super fans to a major influencer who has millions of fans. But micro influencers can still make a six-figure income through their affiliate marketing activities by recommending products. In fact, even if someone doesn't aim to be an influencer, but they just, kind of post occasional affiliate links on their social media to products that they've used and that they like, that's an access point to an audience. I mean, think about it. Let's say you've got 50 to 100, close friends and family on your social media who trust you and like you. You will absolutely have more influence on them, let's say, to buy a book that you've read than, they would from hearing it from a stranger. So you post an affiliate link to that book and you make some money, then you and the publisher of that book are both happy. So the fact that the world is subdividing into smaller and smaller audiences actually opens up a world of opportunity for ordinary people to start generating money online. And maybe it's time for you to start affiliate marketing. You can check out the link that I've got below this video in the description. That will give you the step-by-step blueprint to get started making money online right now. Take care.